Welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Matt. Today we are making kebabs. So, first things first, take your chicken, put it in some tasty yogurt, lime and chili powder mix, coat it, stick it on the kebab. Then take all your peppers and onions, bung them all on the griddle, cook them for a little while. Oh, look at that, looking good, looking good. Once your onions, peppers and chicken all cooked, stick on a little kebab, or pita bread, whatever you want to call it. If you notice some of that yoghurt stuff does sort of turn to black, but that's the flavour, I'm sure. You get this warming up so it puffs up. Okay, we're all good. The pita bread's puffed up nicely, we can get the knife in the top. And we're going to put our food inside that thing. I personally like to put a little bit of salsa and sour cream from another time, from our fajitas the other night. And then we're going to whack it in there. Ideally we have some crunchy lettuce, but we don't have that. We've got rocket and stuff, so we might bung some of that in. And here we have it. Tasty homemade kebabs a la Matt.